Wow, amazing ginger growing in plastic bag. In this video, I will show how to make compost to use in the garden. Now I start to burn the dry charcoal. I start to make the fire and burn the wood in the iron bucket. After 5 hours, what happened? Now the dry charcoal are completely burned, and I will shower on the dry charcoal and mixing until it cold, and then I can use in the garden. Now I start to dig the dry charcoal to make the compost. This compost called cow dung compost. 100 kilogram dry cow dung, 50 kilogram rice charcoal, and 5 kilogram of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate can kill the bacteria and worm in the cow dung. It means that it's safe compost can use on the plant. I mix with the calcium carbonate, dry charcoal and dry cow dung, mixing together well. After showering the water on the dry cow dung, dry charcoal and calcium carbonate, now it's well done for my composting. I start to prepare the plastic bag. It's big plastic bag that can store the compost. Why I use the plastic bag? Because I want my compost hot and kill all the bedworm. So this compost is wet enough when I am touching with my hand, so it's wet enough and well done for keep into the plastic bag. It's look nice compost. I will keep 14 days in the bags, and what happened, let's see together. After 14 days, my compost can use on the ginger plant. Now I start to open the bag and touch on the compost. Wow, it's hot. It's good. It's good compost. It's safe. Now I start to dig the compost into the pot and I will use on the ginger plant.